Holiness.
How are you?
Nice of you. Thank you for receiving me.
You're very welcome.
It's a pleasure to meet you for the first time. And,
Go through our protocols. So, welcome.
I was before in 2021
Okay.
because we have a turn over at the president. From Roger Federer.
Ah,
It's signed
oh, it's
for
signed.
you.
Oh,
He
thank you
can't
very
come
much.
today,
Ah.
it's not possible,
Ah.
but he conveys a best message
Thank you
for
very
you.
much.
It's to put on the
Yeah,
wall,
yeah.
and it's for you to play,
Okay.
but you must have
We have
that
the strings put.
because it depends. I think I know you are very patient,
Mm.
but it's really for you.
Thank you very much.
It
He signed
maintains
that.
effect.
And
Oh,
exclusively designed. It's actually a replica of the columns of the Baldacchino.
Selig, I was a student.
Oh.
He has a travel student.
This is this year's
Message.
message
message.
for the World Day of Peace,
Yes.
which we've
Yes.
prepared for you, which it's autographed. And,
Yes.
yeah.
Thank you.
And this is a photographic album of the Apostolic Palace here, with the many different works of art,
Yes.
some of the rooms which you came through this morning.
Yeah.
Yes.
You can
That's,
keep
Wonderful.
that as a memory
Thank you.
of your visit
that's
today.
very
Thank you.
interesting.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very
All
much.
the best to you.
Thank you.
Such things.